So there's another golden opportunity that you have been waiting for, and I know you don't want to miss it. And this is the reason why I decided to share with my community here first. Now, here's the gist. So last month, we had our first training on agro commodities offline. First ever. I've never done trading of agro commodities offline. And that training was so special because we took people to the market. They met different traders and they learned a lot. But many people were not able to attend, maybe because of their work or because of health conditions or because of fear, obviously, or some of them were not in Nigeria as at that time. But they still want to get this knowledge. So if you're part of that group, I am here for you. So we have decided to put another training for people who were not able to attend the physical training in Kano State. This one is going to be online 100%. But this is one of the, or let me say, some of the advantages or the benefit you get. First, you have the complete recording of the training that we had in Kano State. So the in-house recording, not the market, because we couldn't record in the market. You know, when you're in the market, you can just, it's not possible to just be recording people. So we couldn't record in detail. But the conversation that we had, the lectures that I gave them, you're going to have that forwarded to you. Now, another benefit, which people who even attended the physical training did not had, is that I'm going to give you a free business plan. Now, this business plan, normally I charge 250,000 naira, but you're not going to pay 250,000 naira. As you sign up for the training, the business plan will be forwarded to you. Now, this business plan is on trading of agro commodities only. It's not for other things. It's for people who want to invest into trading of agro commodities. Maybe you're looking for funds, you need an investor, or you need a partner, or you want to apply for a grant. They won't just call you and dash you the money. You need to show a document that you have done your research, that you understand the business you want to go into. So I have that business plan and you'll be getting it for free. And also, I'll be giving you one of my books that I've written on trading of agro commodities. That book is going to be there as a gift for you because you have signed up and because you were not able to attend the physical training, which was not my fault, but I still want you to get the knowledge because many people, we are outside of Nigeria as at that time. Many people, we are, because it was a Friday and Saturday, that Friday alone, they will not be able to have chance to attend the training, so they couldn't get the details. So if you want to attend this one that is going to be online, check the video description, reach out to me on WhatsApp or send me an email so you can secure your slot. You don't have to wait for too long. Now the training is going to be on the 27th of this March. So you have just maybe 2 to 3 weeks for you to prepare and come for the training. Now the training fee is just 55,000 naira. So with 55,000 naira, you're going to get a full business plan that would have cost you 250,000. You're also going to get my book on trading of agro commodities. Not just that, you're also going to get our recordings for the previous class that we had in Kano State so that you can settle down and watch it and understand based on your time. This one you don't have to rush it. You're also going to have that. And not just that, the recording of the current class we are also going to forward to you. So if this interests you, you want to invest in trading of agro commodities and you need knowledge, reach out to me on WhatsApp so you can secure your ticket. My name is Denison. Thank you for watching. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.